welcome to my channel. And here we'll be working on this object to produce the orthographic views of this object. So as we have here, that draw the block in first angle projection with the front elevation looking in direction of arrow x, this arrow x here. Okay, if you are watching my video for the first time, thank you, and I want to ask you as a technical drawing student to subscribe to this channel, put on notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video you'll be notified, and help me to share my videos with your friends who are technical drawing students. Very, very important. You need to practice the subject. It's a practical subject, you need to practice it. So looking at this object in this direction, for the front elevation we are going to have this shape like this. So this shape we are going to have it like this. So we are going to see this rectangle, and this shape that we have here we are going to see it like this as the front view. And the top view we have this rectangle, this rectangle, this rectangle, and we have this shape here for the top view. And for the end elevation we are going to see this rectangle, and this shape out we are going to see it. So those are the things that we are going to put together to get the orthographic views of the object. So we are starting with the front elevation. So what you need to do first is to come here and draw horizontal line. So we draw horizontal line here like this. Okay, so then we fix a point here. We fix a point here. So fix a point like this. Okay, now so let's first of all start with this rectangle that we have here. So for this rectangle, distance from here to here is 10 millimeters. From here to here is 10 millimeters, and distance from here to here is 15 millimeters. So we first of all take a measurement of 10 millimeters here. So we take 10 millimeters and come up here, we take 15 millimeters. So this is 15 millimeters. So here we are going to draw a vertical line at this point like this, and on this point we draw horizontal line. So that rectangle has come out already if you look at it very well. So then we have to bring out this shape here. So distance from here to here is 15, which we have already done. So the distance from here to here is also 10 millimeters. So total from here to here is 20. So we have taken 10 from here to here. So we need to take another 10 from here to here, because total from here to here is 20. So we take 10 again. Then we now take distance from here to here is 40. And distance from here to here on this small part here is 5 millimeters. So that means, so we are going to take 10. So we come here, so we take 10 millimeters like this. At this point we draw a vertical line. So we draw a vertical line at this point like this. So we draw a vertical line. Okay, then we are going to take a measurement of 45 millimeters. So let me first of all take 40. So this is 40 millimeters, and we take 5 like this. So here I'm going to draw a vertical line at this point. We draw a vertical line at this point, and we also draw a vertical line at this point here. Alright, so now, so let's come here. So let's look at the height of this object. So from here up here, so from here to here it is 10, from here to here it is 10, from here to here it is 10, that is 30. So we take a measurement of 30 millimeters. So here we take 30, this is 30 millimeters. So we are going to draw horizontal line at this point. Okay, so looking at what we have here, so and again, okay, so I'm going to come down here and take 10 millimeters, 10 millimeters as we see on that object. So this is 10 and this is 10. So here I'm going to draw horizontal line on each of these points. So I will draw horizontal line. So here is horizontal line. Here also I will draw horizontal line like this. Okay, so looking at what we have here, so the front elevation has come out as you can see here. So let me show you how it will look. So this will be a rectangle, the first rectangle that we produced. First rectangle that we produced. So I'm just bringing it out one by one. Okay, so this line, so from here to here, it will be a thick line from here to here, and also, so this line will be a thick line to this point. Excuse me. So this line will be a thick line like this. Okay, so this line, so from here to here will be a thick line, and it will be a thick line down to this point, and also, so here it will be a thick line, then this line will be a thick line from here to here, so it will be a thick line from here to here, and then so we bring this out, so this is a thick line. Okay, so if you look at what we have here, so the front elevation, though we are not done because there is a feature here that is cut off, and to this front elevation it will be hidden from us, so we need to draw it, and distance from here to here, as we are given, it is 5 millimeters, so we have to take a measurement of 5 millimeters from here down. This is 5, so here we are going to draw horizontal line. Okay, so here we draw horizontal line. Okay, so that is the front elevation. So let's see what we have on the front elevation. We have this rectangle, this is it. So we have this shape like this from here to here. So this is it, from here to here like this. It goes like this, and also this part we have it here. So the front elevation is completed. So let's go to the end, to the plan. So for the plan, we are going to move down a little bit from the front elevation, and we draw horizontal line. So what we want to bring out in the plan, we are bringing out this rectangle, and this shape here. So how do we produce it? So let's start with this one. So we have from here to here to be 20, which has already been taken from here to here as 20. So we just need to bring out this shape here. So distance from total distance from here to here is 30 millimeters. So from here to here is 30 millimeters. So from here to here is 20, from here to here is 10. So we take a measurement of 20 millimeters. So this is 20 millimeters. Then we take 10. So this is 10 millimeters. So we are going to draw a horizontal line on each of these points. So draw a horizontal line like this. So and also, so we also draw a horizontal line like this. So that shape that I showed you has come out already. So this is it. So let's bring it out. So this is it. So this line, so will be a thick line. So from here to here, and this line will be a thick line here, and this line is also a thick line. Okay, so from here to here, we have this to be a thick line, we have this to be a thick line, and then we have this to be a thick line. So you can see that that shape has come out. I mean, this shape here, it has come out. So what we need to do now is to get this rectangle, and this rectangle. So we need to get them. So it is 10, 10, 10. So we just come here and we take 10. So this is 10 millimeters, and this is 10. So we already have 10 here. So what we need to do now is to draw a horizontal line from this point. So here we draw a horizontal line like this. So we have already drawn for this one. So let's bring out the rectangle. So from here, so this will be a thick line all straight down. So and all straight down. So then, so this rectangle is from here to here. Also this will be a straight line down here, and this line, we are going to make this line a thick line all through. So this line also will be a thick line all through here. So I'll come and show you. Okay, all right, so this rectangle that we have here, so you can see that it is from here to here, so which distance from here to here. For this one, so we also have the same thing. For this we also have the same thing. So this line that we have here, we have a rectangle that goes from here to this end. So though part of it is hidden, but we can't see part of it. So but it is there when we look at it from the top down. So Alright, so this is the plan. So we have formed the plan as it is given to us. So the next thing that we are going to do is to draw the end elevation. So to draw the end elevation, we have to place our 45 degree set square at this point here. Put it at this point, and we have to draw an inclined line in this direction. So wherever this line touch the horizontal lines that we produce out of the plan, touches it here, 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 and here. So we are going to draw a vertical line on each of the points. So here we draw a vertical line here. So here also we draw a vertical line. So here we draw a vertical line, and at this point we draw a vertical line here, like this. Okay, so what do we have for the front view? So we can see this rectangle here, this rectangle, and this top part, you can see them. So let's see how that's going to be. So what we need to do now is so for this rectangle, for the first rectangle that I said, so we follow this line. So we follow this. Okay, let's start with this. So we follow this line here. So we have this point, and then so we follow this one like this. So we have what? We have this point here. Okay, and then so if we go like this, so it's going to be end here, so end it here. So this is it. So let's see. So this is the rectangle. So that rectangle has come out. This is it. So we need, so there's a rectangle here to this rectangle too. We have to bring it down. So where do we have it? So it's from here. So we have the first point here. So and the second point is from here to here. So we have it here. So and then if you follow, so they are the same level. So I need to make this a thick line, and then so this line will be a thick line here. So and also this line is a thick line. So we have the two rectangles drawn. So I mean this rectangle and this rectangle here. So we now have the top part here. The top part, so this shape like this. We have to bring it out. So where do we have it? So we have it up here. So we have it up here. So this line, so this line here, this line that we have here is already drawn from here to here. It's already drawn. It's at this point. It's already drawn. So I mean this line here. So we need to bring out this shape now. So and to bring out this shape, so this line here will be a thick line down from here to here. Okay, also this will be a thick line from here to here. Okay, then so this is where we have it. So from here to this point, from here to here, so just follow this point like this, and we go up. So we come up this point. So we have to follow this line like this. So we come up here, this point here. Okay, so we are going to have the same thing here. So we have this point. So all we need to do is to make this a thick line. So make this also a thick line, and so this will be a thick line from here to here. Also have a thick line from here to here. Okay, so this line will also be a thick line to bring out that shape. So the shape has come out, as you can see it there. So we have this rectangle, this is it. We have this rectangle, so this is it. So we have this shape, and this is where we have it. But another thing is, so this point here is going to be hidden from us. This point here, this line, the line that goes here, so it's going to be hidden from us. So where do we have it? Where do we have it? So so where do we have it? So okay, so I need to get it out. I need to get it out from here. So it is not shown here. So where do we have that? Okay, we have it here. So already there. So we have it at this point, and we also have it down here. So it is true. So the one up here and the one down here is going to be hidden from us. Okay, so what we need to do is to make this with short dashes line. Also coming up here, this will also be shoulder sheath line. It's an hidden detail. Okay, so this is the end elevation. This is how it will look. So all you need to do is to practice. Thank you, and keep on practicing.